Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at issue 6 of Build the Terminator by Hachette Partworks. In today's issue we're going to be doing our lower jaw, getting our teeth, and we're also going to be putting the bridge on the nose here. Take a quick look inside the magazine. Inside the magazine you get your parts list and parts to cross-reference, make sure they're in here. Also where we're going to be putting the parts today, so we've got the lower jaw and the bridge for the nose. Got all our steps. You will need a bit of glue for this issue. There's no screws in this issue. And our Sci-Fi Cinema Legends this week is all about Blade Runner. There is 3 pages all about Blade Runner. Very popular movie back in the 80s. And we've also got our Real Sci-Fi World Science, which is all about artificial flesh and skin grafts. And also what's coming up next week. Without further ado, let's start building. Okay, so now we've got the parts out of the packaging. We've got 3 parts this time. We've got the bridge for the nose, which we aren't going to use yet. It asks us to have our teeth, our lower jaw ready. I've already got a little bit of glue ready in there. So first step 1 is it wants you to cut off all these little pieces of teeth. They do twist off quite easy. Okay, so I've cut all the teeth, all ready to be assembled straight into there. Off this, you might want to get yourself a sprue cutter or a little pair of snips or something like that. I did have to use a little file around the edges just to get some burrs off to make sure they all fit. Got a little piece of glue all ready to go, so let's get these in. You can use a cocktail stick and just dip your cocktail stick in, rub it on there or in there, but I find it easier just to dip the ends of these straight in the glue and then get it straight in. That's the first one in. Now the second one. Start with these back ones on the other side first before we get the middle front ones in. Last one. That's that all done. Next step, it wants you to bring in your faceplate from issue 1, and you're still going to need your glue, and you're going to need this little piece here. And what I want you to do, you've got 2 little pins on either side here. Just dab them in a bit of glue and then stick it straight on. Straight in the 2 holes. Push it on. Just like that. Okay, so that is all the steps done. There is a bit of a gap underneath there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's flush there on the side, and it does come up. I know it does come up. Obviously we may have to black this bit out to hide it, but if you're looking straight on from it, you can see the gap where it's black. So, and that is flush against it. Anyway, let's bring in our parts from our previous issues. And this is going to sit on here, just like that. Okay, that's everything we've got for this week, so join me next week when we'll be looking at issue 7, which is assemble the components for the upper arm and we start a head motor joint. I should have that video out for you Wednesday night. Yeah, so if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also, I will be putting a video out tomorrow where we will be having our first giveaway, so make sure you don't miss that. Till next time, see you later.